Tony insisted of him introducing the Mediterranean market as his cousin. So,
I think I am not talking too much because everything's written in the book.
Yeah, speaker.
Okay. Everything is written on the book. I am not talking too much, but I want to talk something is not on the book. Mediterranean market established in 2007 by Fadi Abdul Karim and his mother-in-law, Aida. And they left to Florida. And George Abdul Karim and Gas Abdul Karim, they took over. Gas, he was manager for CVS Pharmacy. And George, he has a store, it's Space Electronic. And he was the best in the country. Anyone he has a store and he want to fix something, if they can't fix it, they bring it to George to fix it. And they start, the Mediterranean is growing up, they do all the Lebanese food, Arab food, Syrian food, Italian food, Athenian food. And one thing maybe they don't know, I was one time in the store and was the inspector there. And he told me, you know, I've been in many stores. This is the first one. I didn't smell anything in the cooler. Thank you very much, George and Fadi, and congratulations.
Tony, same with you. Hassan, come on. Hassan, I gotta add something to this. You're not only presenting the Middle Eastern community, you're presenting the whole area, because we are so proud of you, what you do to the community, the support you give every community, every Lebanese, every Arabic, every institution that come and knocks on your door, and you're there for them. You contribute to everything and you help everybody. And this is a great accomplishment to our community. Thank you for what you do, Hassan. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm very honored and humbled to accept your recognition of the Mediterranean market. Thank you so much.
This is the recognition from us to the Mediterranean market. Also, I have a special proclamation from the mayor of Middleburg Heights, made especially for Mediterranean market. Mayor of
Thank you so much.
The mayor was going to be with us tonight, but something came up, he couldn't be with us. Also, for each honoree, we have a proclamation from the from Anthony Gonzalez, from the State House, Tom Patton and the State House, from the City Council, from the Governor of Ohio, from David Joyce, Congressman David Joyce, from Congresswoman Marcy Kaptur, from County Executive Armin Budish, and for Senator Sherrod Brown. And we have the one from Senator Portman also in the book, but I guess I forgot him at home, so I have to get him for you.
Thank you so much, everybody. I'm so honored to be here with you tonight, and I really appreciate your recognition of the Mediterranean market and all the workers in it. Thank you so much.
Keep up the good work.